What's up guys, Shane Stars here, and there are so many options, literally hundreds of options of robotic vacuums on the market, and you can pay anywhere from a couple $100s to over $1,000 on a robotic vacuum. Today we're going to be taking a look at a very powerful robotic vacuum at a very affordable price. This is the Botslab by 360 S8 Plus. Big shout outs to 360 for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what all this comes with. Right up top here, we have plenty of reading information. So you've got like your quick startup guide, your user manual, everything there. Here we have our mop pad system. It's a nice big wide mop pad. Here we have the vacuum itself. Right up top, you can see that advanced LiDar mapping system with the 3D obstacle detection. You have a power button and a return to base button. On the front of the unit, you have more sensors there for that obstacle detection. On the bottom, here we have our side sweeping brush here. I'm just gonna brush everything to the center so that it can be collected by the center brush. You have oversized tires here, so this is gonna be able to transition between your carpets and your hard floors without any issues. On the actual unit itself, you do have a combo dustbin and water bin. So there's a 300 milliliter water tank plus a 350 milliliter dustbin. Of course, this does return back to the base station to empty the waste there as well. And on the top here, you do have anti-cliff sensors. That way, if it does encounter some stairs or something like that, it's not gonna go tumbling down the stairs. And then the main selling point has to be the auto empty dustbin. This will hold a bag that's good for 70 days worth of cleaning. I do like how this is a sturdy unit here. So this actually, most of these on the market are made of cardboard. This is nice and sturdy and it's gonna hold up over time. You only have to change this dust bag out once every 70 days, which means you're only gonna have to do it about 5 times a year, which is awesome. They also included 2 additional dust bags, so you're gonna be set for quite some time. Also love the fact here that it only takes 20 seconds to empty your vacuum cleaner into the dustbin. And then basically this is going to be hands-free cleaning. You're not gonna have to worry about emptying out that dustbin on the vacuum cleaner itself. We're gonna go ahead and get this all set up and connected to the app. So the first thing you wanna do here is there's a little switch on the side. Make sure that you turn this on. Then you're gonna connect it up to the charge station. Next up, you're gonna grab this Botslab application and we're gonna click Add Device. Okay, we're looking at the Botslab S8 Plus. So go ahead and click on that. Press and hold the charge button and clean button for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, so we'll click next, configure network, and we'll select that and then enter in the password. Once connected, you will receive a message saying that the network connection was successful, and then you can go ahead and start using your vacuum cleaner. So the number one feature by far has to be the included intelligent self-empty system. I haven't seen one on a vacuum cleaner at this price point. Usually that feature is reserved for the more expensive vacuum cleaners on the market, but the Botslab 360 S8 Plus does include that auto empty bin. The self-emptying station includes a large 4-liter dust bag that can hold up to 70 days worth of dust and debris, which means you're only gonna have to actually change the bag out 5 times per year. One thing that I really do like about this dust bag system is that it does have a heavy-duty plastic enclosure. When you lift it up, it seals the bag. There are no dust and debris airborne flying around, so you don't have to worry about your allergies kicking up whenever you change this out. And then the fact that it is large, it does hold 70 days worth of dust and debris. Most on the market hold 30 to 45 days, so you almost double the amount of storage in this self-emptying station. Another thing that I really love to see on this vacuum at this price point is the precision LiDar 3D navigation technology. This is something that is usually reserved for vacuums that are more expensive. Usually at this price range, we get what I like to call the bump and turn navigation system. With the bump and turn navigation, the vacuum cleaner finds the outer edge of the room and then makes a note whenever it bumps into objects. With the LiDar navigation featured on the Botslab by 360 S8 Plus, it actually has lasers that go out and look and see what's in front of it. This means that you're gonna get better obstacle avoidance. It also means that you're gonna have more efficient cleaning patterns because it can actually see where it's going. You're not gonna have to worry about this thing running into and damaging your furniture and walls. It's going to be able to avoid those obstacles. The S8 Plus features superior suction power. You're gonna get 2,700 Pascal of suction power. This means that it's going to be able to collect fine dust, pet dander, pet hair, and all kinds of different debris. This also includes 4 levels of suction power, so whether you're cleaning up your hardwood and tile or you're cleaning up your carpet, it's going to be powerful enough in any situation. This can also automatically increase suction power when it transitions from hard floors to carpet, making sure that it has plenty of power to get everything nice and clean. This is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping system, so not only do you get that powerful 2700 Pascal of suction power, but you also get a very capable mopping system. So when we unboxed this, we saw the large mop pad. This also puts out 3 different levels and pressures of water depending on the situation. You can set that within the app. You may decide that you want to change the water level based on the dirtiness of the surface, or maybe you want to have less of a water level on your hardwood floors and a more water level on your tile floors. You have those options. With the included 300 milliliter water tank, you're going to be able to clean up most houses in one go without having to refill that water tank. This does include a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which is good for up to 3 hours of cleaning. This is going to be plenty of time to clean most houses, even larger homes, with one go. If for some reason it's not able to complete the entire cleaning within a single charge, no worries, it will automatically return back to the auto empty base and begin to charge the battery. Once the battery is fully charged, it will return back to the task and complete the previous task. There's so many settings and options within the application, including the ability to customize the water levels when mopping. You can customize the suction power when vacuuming. There's also other features like being able to set up no-go zones. So maybe if you have like a child's play area or an office area or somewhere where you don't want the vacuum to go, you can set up those virtual boundaries with the no-go zone. You're even able to schedule cleaning. So if you know that you're going to be out of the house between the hours of 9 and 3 o'clock, you can have your vacuum cleaner to go out and clean the house at 9 a.m. and then again at 2 p.m. before you return home from work. With the map management system, you're also able to store up to 10 maps, meaning even if you have a 2 or 3 story home, you can have a separate map for each level of your home. That way the vacuum cleaner knows exactly what to do when you put it on the 2nd story or 3rd story of your house, and it can instantly go to work. Not only can the vacuum cleaner be controlled with manual controls and through the application, there's also voice control included thanks to Alexa and Google Assistant integration. So you can set this up to work with your Google Assistant and then tell it when you want it to clean and where to clean. Overall, the Botslab by 360 S8 Plus is a very powerful and capable vacuum cleaner, especially when you consider the low price. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick up this robotic vacuum cleaner for yourself. Also, be on the lookout for special discount codes there as well. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.